I'm Austin, and I came from Fiji. I'm with Corals for Conservation, and I came to help the coral gardeners in Moorea to work with the people. And it's wonderful because there's so many of them, and there's a lot of youthful energy. So I have met my match. And so today we are going to construct a Fiji-style coral nursery, and we are going to go to the hardware store, and the materials are all available. We have lots of people trying to help us. I know that what I am teaching people are absorbing like a sponge. So it's really exciting.